Okay, so I've already primed my eyelid and done my eyebrows. I did this eye. It's not the best, but Lizzie likes to act like she don't know how to do cut creases. So since she gave me this palette for my birthday, don't mind my son back there. He's a mess. Okay, can't deal today. He took off his pants. He had pants on. He took them off, so that's why he's walking around like that. Anyways, just saying before y'all judge me. But anyways, so she got me this palette for my birthday, and this is what I'm gonna use, just this palette. So let's get started. I am grabbing this fluffy brush. It's I think this is from the Prism palette. It's Anastasia. I'm just dusting it off on my towel. Matt, go to the room, baby. Okay, so it is called Stardust, and I'm dipping into it, and I am putting that right over my crease, and I'm just going to build it up and bring it out. Just dust it all in there.
I think I have some other color on it. I'm going pretty high because
okay, you see how I have like a crease right here? That is not, when you usually do that, well, when I do that, when I do my crease, where my crease is at, it transfers. So I like to, I'll show you in a minute, but that's why I'm going high. So I am going to get into Waterbearer using the same brush and dust that right under. Right here, and do the same thing, just dust it in and bring it out.
too much. If you do this, just brush it out, okay? It's alright. It's alright. Just blend it in, man. Ooh, I put too much. Dusting it off. This side's probably gonna look hella
Different from this side, but it's alright. So I am grabbing this. It's a Morphe brush. It came with a set, and it's a tapered blending brush. So I'm getting this, and I am dipping into Potion, and this eyeshadow picks up a lot, so be careful. So I am starting right here in the middle, and I'm going to make my line. Ooh, you see how it picks up? So you're just gonna have to blend it out. These dark colors scare the shit out of me. But I'm trying to do different shit now, because I always stick to like browns and golds and stuff, and I'm trying to get better. I think I went hella high. Just bring it down a little bit. It's because on this eye, I went a little low, and when I did my crease, it like went high, so I had to fix it. And this is my first time doing this. This was like a freestyle. I did not see this. I didn't practice this or anything, so this is my, and I haven't done cut creases in a long ass time. So if this looks a hot mess, I'm sorry. Getting my concealer, I like to just, ooh, it's a lot. Okay, this is what I like to do. I like to put it right here, and then I like to look up And you see where that marks? That's where I'm going to do my crease. If you don't do this and you follow your natural crease, it will, your eyeshadow will transfer. So it's better to do this. I'm pretty sure a lot of you know this already though, so. This eye's probably gonna be either uglier than that eye or better. I don't know. I messed up a whole lot on this one and I had to fix it, so. You just kind of do a little swerve on them bitches. Oh, it's not a swerve, huh? It's a curve. Anyways.
Another side now?
Getting into Mermaid Boy. This is so pretty. Just dipping my brush into there and dabbing it all over the lid.
Okay.
Once that, your eyeliner and do your wing. I forgot. I like to kind of do a straight line like this. Just so that I can know where I'm going to put my the line for my winged liner. Okay, so I am going to do my eyelashes and my face off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and do my waterline with y'all. Okay, so for my under eyes, I am just going to dip back into the three shades that I used. So it's gonna be Stardust, Waterbearer, and Potion. Okay. Okay. So getting in to Stardust, just dusting it all over. Okay, getting into Waterbearer, I can't say it. Getting this smudger brush, I am gonna dip into Potion lightly because it's a little cray. And get as close to the waterline as you can with this shade. to use this. This is by Rimmel. It's a nude eyeliner, and I'm gonna put that on my waterline. If you're wondering why I film right here, mind your business. I'm just kidding. I film right here because I don't have room on my vanity, and I don't have room for my stand. And we're working on our house, and I have 2 rooms that I need to finish, and one of them is gonna be my makeup room for a little while. And it's not done. I'm trying to get one of the rooms ready because Lizzie is coming. I think in October. They're coming, so I'm trying to get that room ready before I get my my room ready. So hopefully, maybe by the end of the year, closer to the end of the year, I will be able to film in there. I'm getting lucid, and I'm putting it in my inner corner. Okay, so this is the final look. What do y'all think? Did I do good or no? Give me y'all's input in the comments. Guys, thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. If y'all want to see something, oh my god, if y'all want to see something, or y'all want a tutorial on something, let me know, and I will happily do it for y'all. Anyways, thank you for watching. See you next time.